Hi everyone. So today I'd like to share a few of the scenarios which I have tried with the screen flow. So the scenario is like I have multiple images. So I have gone to visit to multiple hospitals. So I have a lot of images of the hospital visit. So I want to merge all those informations into a single PDF. So how it is possible? So we already done a scenario like where I upload an image, the information in the image will be extracted, and I can create a record based on the information. So I thought, why can't we extract the informations and create a PDF so that it can be used to share with the customer, or it can be added as a part of the record. That is one scenario. So the second scenario is like if there are multiple PDF present, so I need to merge the PDF. So I'm just extracting the informations and merging the information into a single PDF. So for now, we don't have any merge rules inside the Salesforce for merging of multiple PDF. So I have tried to merge PDF using the prompt builder. So I'm just extracting the information from the PDF and attaching into a single HTML file, and the HTML response is sent to the Apex action. In the Apex action, we have a Blob.toPdf, so where we are converting it to a PDF. So that's what I have done. So this is a screen flow where I'll upload the image. The uploaded file will be later sent to the prompt, where the image or PDF informations will be extracted. From the extracted information, I'm sending out the response in HTML format. That HTML response is sent back to the Apex action. In the Apex action, I'm converting it to a PDF. This is the process which I have done. So let me go through the demo first. So I have a upload file. So this is a standard screen flow. Let me upload to images which I have already done. So this is basically two hospitals where I have gone for site visit. Just upload. So based on the uploading order, the informations will be retrieved, and it will be shown in the pages. So the first one is Krishna Hospital, second is Ramling Hospital. So I have uploaded the image. So which process I want to select? So select image details conversion to PDF. So here we have two types. So merge continuously and start each document on new page. So first I'll select merge continuously. Next. So merge continuously is like in a single page of a PDF, the first image informations will present. The same page itself, the second image informations also get present. So it got loaded. So now we are able to see. So both the informations are present in the single page. So there is one page PDF. So you can either download it, or if you have any scenario you can attach, you can click on next button and it will be attached to the specific record. So this is for a merge continuously. So in a single page, both the informations will be merged. So let's see the information in a different page. So click finish. So it's getting low. So now I will upload the image. So I have uploaded the image. I'll select image details conversion to PDF. So start each document on a new page. So here the document it's mentioning about the image. So I want the first image information in the first page of the PDF, and second image information the second page of the PDF. So I'll select this, click on next. So here there are still few formatting issues are there. You can see there are 1 2 pages are present. So first page has a Krishna Hospital information, and second page has a Ramling Hospital information. So there are two pages. So first page has the first image, and second page has the second image information. So let me click finish. So let me walk through the second scenario. So where I will upload multiple PDF. So here now I'll go for uploading of multiple PDF. So I have flexi credit and get started with small PDFs. I'll upload both the documents. So flex credit we already know. So during the consumption of any actions, we will consume the flex credit. So this is a PDF document which I have uploaded. So you can see the informations. And second PDF, this is I have downloaded from online. So this is a sample PDF. So when we are uploading PDF information, so it will extract the information alone. It won't extract the images or any other non-retrievable content. It won't be able to retrieve. So if it is a text or any other informations which is able to retrieve from this document, it can able to fetch. If it is image or any other stuff, it won't be able to fetch from that document. So let me show here. Click done. So merge. So here also I'll do the same process. Like first I'll show how it will done merge continuously. It's loading. So here you can see the records, two image records, and one of the file which has been generated as part of the merging of both the images. So now the PDF got generated. So the small PDF document is there. So once after completion, you can see the second PDF has been merged continuously. It's not going to the next page. So it's start merged here itself, and the details are displaying here. So I don't want like this. I want this PDF should be in a separate page. So each document should be added as a separate new page. So let me go and do that as well. So now I'll upload the same to PDF again. So flex card. It's uploading. It's done. So merge of multiple PDF. Start each document on a new page. So let me load. So the main purpose of this PDF is like it's on my own interesting few projects which I have worked. There are a lot of PDF stuff we have used like through email we send PDF, and there will be a lot of merging of PDFs are taking place. So how we are able to achieve this in Agentforce, I have given a try in that way. So it's through prompt builder we are able to extract information, but it's not 100% all the details we are not able to extract. If there are images or any other content which is not readable in the PDF or image, it's still not able to fetch. So if it is a text which is present in the image or PDF, it's correctly retrieving the information, and we are able to merge and we can be able to generate a PDF. So now we got the PDF. So this is flex credit rate card. Here we have the details. So once after completion of here, we can see there are a lot of space. After that, the second PDF will come to small PDF. So here it is getting started in a new page. It's not gone here and it is started here itself. It's started in a new page. So those are the two scenarios which I thought. So let me show the flow. So it's a screen flow as already mentioned. So I have upload file. So after uploading the files, I'm getting the content documents, and I'm getting the count in order to don't add another extra page at the end of the PDF. So while testing, it's show adding another one extra pages. So I taking the count and just if it is the last document, it should not add the extra page. So that's what I have done. So as I already mentioned, it's a prompt template which we are using. There are two inputs which I am passing. So process type and the file document which I am having. So here what I've done is like since we are uploading multiple documents, I'm getting the informations of each file and I'm storing in a variable and adding the next file informations. Once after completing of the prompt template looping, I'm passing those informations to the Apex action. So let me show the Apex action. So this is not the one. So let me close this. So let me open PDF production. So here we have two of the parameters, HTML content and file name, and here we are getting the file informations from the prompt response. We are passing it as HTML content. From the HTML content, we are converting it as Blob.toPdf, which we have from the recent release of Salesforce, to convert it to a blob. That blob file is added as a content version, and that's how we have done this process. Basically, we are passing from the prompt response HTML content to the Apex section. In the Apex section, we are converting that response into a PDF using Blob.toPdf. So that PDF is later created as a content version, and that content version will have a content document ID, and that we are showing in the file preview. So that's the implementation part of it. So if you have any questions or any doubts related to this, you can ping me in the comments. Yeah, thank you.